In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best heat gun in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which heat gun is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, ENERTWIST Heat Gun Variable. Variable temperature, high warmth, flexible 9 temp and 3 fan speed, features high or reduced, great, off 4 mode switch and also 9 temp control through calling the back cover. Powerful and reliable sturdy hot air weapon with 12.5 amp electric motor, warms up to maximum temperature 932 degrees Fahrenheit 500 degrees Celsius swiftly in a couple of seconds, and also carries out steady. The specialist heating unit provides exceptional efficiency by maintaining running 500 hours at a max temperature level. Ergonomic and safety and security, non-slip soft grip, as well as weight equilibrium design for simple, integrated hands-free assistance. Stand permits the weapon to sit upright for hand-free usage. With specialist integrated overload defense, protects against electrical warm gun from over-home heating due to misuse. Functional devices for nozzle deflectors and 5 paint scrape package extend warmth weapon utility, decrease nozzle for welding plastics, soldering or desoldering, shrink covering, loosening seized screws and nuts. Glass security nozzle for paint or sticky, removing cool heat sensitive materials. Here is the item number 4, BLACK+DECKER Temperature Gun. Functional usage: 1350 watt warm weapon, works for a selection of applications, such as removing paint, loosening up rusted nuts, defrosting pipelines, and also much more. Dual temperature level settings change between 750 degrees Fahrenheit as well as 1000 degrees Fahrenheit temperature settings. Built-in stand makes cooldown easier and also much safer. 3-position side deal with gives a comfy hold and outstanding control for all applications. Lightweight as well as compact, simple to maneuver, as well as minimize muscle exhaustion. Corded layout, supplies unlimited runtime. Includes 1 HG 1300 warm weapon. Heat output: please get in touch with individual manual for the risk-free procedure of this tool. 2 temperature level setups, 750 levels, as well as 1000 degrees for a selection of applications. Integrated means easy to cool off, lightweight, and also compact design for ease of use and handling, suitable for stripping paint, loosening the rusted screw, and my other applications. When the job asks for extreme warmth, look to this electrical warm weapon. 2 setups allow you quickly choose the most appropriate level of warmth, while a built-in air conditioning stand enhances security. The small, lightweight design assists keep you comfy while you function. The item number 3, KIZEN Infrared Thermometer Gun. EXACTAR Laser Thermometer Gun has an emissivity series of 0.1 to 1.0 for accurate readings across different surface areas and conditions. For best outcomes, the viewers should be 14-inch away from the things. Flexible: use this useful laser temperature level weapon at home as well as in industrial setups. Examine the warmth of your stove or frying pan, full heating and cooling jobs, measure the temperature of any type of automobile's engine, and also a lot more. Easy to use: just check the surface area of your item, hold back the trigger of the IR thermometer weapon, as well as release to obtain live temperature analyses anywhere between -58 degrees Fahrenheit and also 1112 degrees Fahrenheit. Bright screen: each infrared temperature level weapon has a huge, backlit LCD display, so you can easily read temperature levels at night. As well as with 2 AAA batteries consisted of, powering up the thermal weapon is a cinch. Not for humans: this temp weapon thermostat is not ideal for human or interior body temperature usage. It is made for repairs around the residence, cooking, heating and cooling, and also automobile usage, and other DIY work. Easy to review in any kind of setup, the huge backlit display enables you to review from a range and in non-optimal lighting conditions. 2 AAA batteries are included with each acquisition, making this thermostat ready to use on delivery day. Number 2 on our list, candle making heat gun. Variable speed or warm setups. The only one of its kind, our warmth gun incorporates a reduced speed or heat establishing for delicate or information job, with a high speed or heat setting for durable or high volume work, all in a compact, simple managed package. It's like having a mini heat weapon and also a full-size sturdy heat weapon did in one. Versatile, perfect for crafts, automobile, electronics, embossing powders, plastic wrap, HTV, and epoxy material, shrink covering, reduced tubing, shrink tube connectors, decals, bottle diminish pills, EVA foam, transfers, acrylic, shrink film, cell phone repair, tablet repair service, screen repair, soldering, jewelry production, cord adapters, but connectors, wax, beeswax, soy, candle production, as well as extra. Insulated, ergonomic, lightweight, quiet, cheap mini heat weapons get too hot to hold. Conventional big gun style warm weapons get as well hefty as well as unpleasant to deal with for prolonged durations. Chandler device saves the day with the perfect balance of small size, lightweight, and low noise to minimize fatigue on even the lengthiest jobs. The top one in our list, Wagner Spraytech Heat Gun. Twin temperature warm weapons. The HT-1000 warmth gun uses a 750F as well as 1000F temperature level setting to easily help finish house residence enhancement jobs. Warm gun for home jobs. Use this warm gun to soften the paint, electrical cord shrinking, caulking, glue, or putty for removal. Various other applications include shrink cover, bend plastic pipelines, and also loosen rusted nuts or screws. Warm gun flexible setups and longevity. The two follower speeds provide extra control to tailor to your task requirements. Functions a rust-resistant nozzle for durable use as well as an integrated hanging hook to conveniently store on a fixed wall or workbench. Hands-free procedure. Functions an incorporated mean risk-free, hands-free operation to avoid the hot nozzle from touching your work surface. The HT-1000 warmth weapon is a twin temperature level warmth weapon that can assist you in rapidly completing many do-it-yourself jobs using heat warmth outputs. It utilizes a 750F as well as 1000F temperature level setting to quickly loosen up rusted screws, get rid of flooring, and also thaw frozen pipes. It is a heat gun for diminishing cover, a warm weapon to remove paint, therefore much more. The weapon uses 1,200 watts of power to easily complete many residence enhancement jobs. Its sturdy and also lightweight design uses efficient, focused heat for various project needs. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best heat gun amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.